and we're recording, so.
Are we going in here?
No, we're going up to the bell tower, up there.
Yeah, but can we just go in the front?
No, it's locked. They locked everything and closed everything down, like, I don't know, a few days ago.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Sent everyone home.
This is Julia, by the way.
Hi!
Savior and protector from that awful creature we just saw.
Yes, I made him say that on camera for proof. Anyway, I was the one who killed the zombie, so aren't you proud?
You didn't even kill it, you just kicked it a few times.
I did. Well, you know what? At least I wasn't crying by the wall.
I wasn't crying by the wall.
You were crying.
I wasn't crying. I was shocked. I was shocked.
He was crying.
Anyway, we're going to the bell tower. That's where Julia's been living for the past few days. And we need to get a bird's eye view of campus just to see what's going on. See if there's anybody else out there. Yeah, look how deserted campus is.
No. Look at this. There's no one but us here. It's kind of creepy.
So, why the camera?
Well, I have decided to document everything on my trusty cell phone, at least until it dies, so future generations can see the struggles and hardships we went through to defeat whatever's attacking Clemson's campus.
There aren't going to be any future generations after this.
So you think this is apocalypse?
This is it.
This is it.
This is it.
No more kids.
No more kids.
Not with him, at least.
Look, we need to focus on finding Keenan.
Okay, I've already told you. We went over this. Keenan is a zombie. It's this way.
He's not a zombie.
Keenan's a zombie. Besides, how are you even gonna find him?
I don't even know. Like, if we get up there high enough, we'll be able to see it. Or something. I don't know.
Smoke signals. That sounds like a great idea.
Just no. Maybe he's trouble. Shit.
What?
Just called me. Left me a voicemail.
You have phone service right now?
Yeah.
But why didn't you answer your phone?
I don't know.
Well, fine. Let's see what it says.
Hey man, look, it's not as empty down here as I thought. There's a cop or something roaming around over there. I guess he's looking to see if... Holy shit, dude, that's not a cop. What is that? What is that right there? Oh shit, dude, he's coming after me.
Do you hear something?
No, I don't know anything. Go.
What does it say? There's something up here.
No, it's fine. Go.
I swear I heard something. Oh my god! Oh, not the door! Okay, I think that should hold. You think that'll hold? Holy fuck, what are we gonna do?
What about the bells? What time do the bells ring?
Bells, 6.
6?
What time is
How long
it?
is that?
If that clock's right, we got 3 minutes.
Okay, we can hold this for 3 minutes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't do this. I can't do this.
3 minutes. 3 minutes is not long.
I think it worked. I think it.
It's leaving. It's leaving.
It's gone. You think it's gone? I don't hear anything.
Let's check.
God. Here, I'll go check. All right, just wait for my all clear, okay?
All right, be careful.
I'm always careful. All right, I think we're all clear in here.
My name is Amanda Steelman. Our main headline tonight is the strange sickness quickly sweeping over the Southeast. Earlier reports of a virus that began in the small college town of Clemson, South Carolina, have become more complicated. Reports of similar cases have surfaced in nearby areas like Greenville, Athens, and Spartanburg. Several accounts include mentions of corpse reanimation. Schools and universities have begun to shut down in the area in order to contain the spread of the disease. Government officials urge people to stay indoors if possible, and to alert the authorities if you or someone you know becomes infected. They also suggest moving away from rural areas to bigger cities, where government health clinics are currently being set